Imagine being in a place where the sky tears open with light. The sound of thunder makes the ground shake. In a fraction of a second, millions of volts surge through the air. Lightning is one of the most impressive and dangerous phenomena. It strikes without warning, lights up the sky, and every year causes thousands of deaths around the world. But how does lightning actually form? Why are some places on the planet struck far more often than others? And where is lightning the most deadly? In today's video, you'll understand the science behind lightning, discover the places most frequently hit around the world, and learn facts that show why this phenomenon deserves respect. Get ready, because you're about to see storms in a completely different way. Lightning has always fascinated and frightened humanity. For centuries, it was seen as a divine sign, a display of power, or a mysterious omen. Today, science allows us to understand what truly happens in the sky during a storm. Even with all modern knowledge, lightning remains one of the most dangerous natural forces on the planet. To understand how lightning forms, we need to look inside storm clouds known as cumulonimbus. These massive clouds can rise more than 10 kilometers high and act like enormous power plants in the sky. Inside them, extremely strong air currents cause ice particles, water droplets, and hail to collide constantly. These collisions lead to the separation of electrical charges. Lighter, positively charged particles rise to the top of the cloud, while heavier, negatively charged particles concentrate near the bottom. Over time, this difference creates an extremely powerful electric field. When the tension becomes too great, an electrical discharge occurs, what we call lightning. Lightning can strike within the same cloud, between different clouds, or between the cloud and the ground. This last type is the most dangerous for people, animals, and structures. When lightning strikes the ground, it releases an enormous amount of energy, heating the surrounding air to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. This sudden heating causes the air to expand violently, producing the sound of thunder. But where does lightning strike most often around the world? It is estimated that between 40 and 50 lightning strikes occur every second, adding up to more than 1 billion lightning strikes each year. Tropical regions experience the majority of these events. Intense heat and high humidity create the perfect environment for electrical storms. The country with the highest number of lightning strikes in the world is Brazil. Every year, more than 70 million lightning strikes hit Brazilian territory, especially in the central, west, southeast, and northern regions. Other countries with high lightning activity include the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the United States, Colombia, and Venezuela. One of the most remarkable places on Earth is Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. There, electrical storms occur on up to 300 nights a year, creating one of the most extraordinary natural spectacles on the planet. But where is lightning the most deadly? The countries with the most lightning strikes are not always the ones with the highest number of deaths. The number of victims is closely linked to social, economic factors and lifestyle. In many developing countries, a large portion of the population works outdoors, especially in agriculture, which increases the risk during storms. India leads global statistics for lightning-related deaths. Thousands of people lose their lives over the years, many of them caught by surprise in open fields. Other countries with high fatality rates include Bangladesh, Nepal, regions of sub-Saharan Africa, and parts of Southeast Asia. Worldwide, lightning causes between 20 and 30,000 deaths each year, along with hundreds of thousands of injuries. Many survivors are left with permanent damage, including neurological problems, severe burns, and heart damage. Despite all this danger, most lightning-related deaths could be prevented. Seeking shelter indoors and avoiding open areas, isolated trees, and metal structures during storms can save lives. Lightning is a powerful reminder of nature's strength. It shows that even in a world dominated by technology, there are still forces that cannot be controlled, only understood and respected. The next time you see a storm forming on the horizon, remember, every lightning strike is the result of complex processes, connecting the sky and the earth in a single instant. And understanding these phenomena is the first step toward living more safely alongside them. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. It really helps the channel continue bringing content like this. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos and turn on notifications. Thank you.